Okay, so here has been asked to find the position vector of a point R which divides the line joining the 2 points P and Q with these position vectors externally in the ratio 1:2. So therefore, here we have got 2 points P and Q, and the point R divides the line joining P and Q in the ratio 1:2. So R will be somewhat here. R divides PQ in the ratio 1:1:2. So therefore, PR is to RQ. That should be equal to 1:2 minus 2. So now the position vector of the point P, suppose here we have the origin, here we have the origin, then this is your R vector. This is uh, the the position vector of the point R, which is OR vector, which we need to find. And this is OP vector, which is the position vector of the point P, which is given as 2A vector plus B vector. And the position vector of the point Q, that is also given as A vector minus 3B vector. This is OQ vector. This is so OR vector we need to find, which the point R divides PQ in the ratio 1:2. So now show that P is the midpoint of the line segment RQ. So we have to also prove that P is the midpoint. P is the midpoint of RQ. So now, therefore, the position vector of the point R, that will be equal to given as, so it will be divides PQ in the ratio 1:2. So it will be 1 into it means that the position vector of the point R would be 1 into OQ vector minus 2 into OP vector divided by 1 minus 2. So this will be equal to OQ vector, which is A vector minus 3B vector minus 2 into OP vector, which is 2A vector plus B vector, that divided by minus 1. So this implies OR vector that will be equal to A vector minus 3B vector minus 4A vector minus 2B vector divided by minus 1. So then therefore OR vector that will be equal to minus 3A vector minus 5B vector divided by minus 1. So then OR vector that will be equal to 3A vector plus 5B vector. And we have to prove that P is the midpoint of RQ. So therefore, first we need to find the midpoint. Therefore, the midpoint of RQ, it means that we have to do OR vector plus OQ vector divided by 2. So OR vector, that is 3A vector plus 5B vector plus OQ vector, which is A vector minus 3B vector. So that divided by 2. So that will be half of, should be 3A plus A, that is 4A vector. And this is plus 5B minus 3B. So that is So that is 4. Sorry, that is something wrong here. So this will be 3, 4a vector. This will be plus 2b vector. So this will be equal to 2a vector plus b vector. And 2a vector plus b vector is nothing but OP vector. So therefore, it is coming that OP vector equals to OR vector, means half of OR vector plus OQ vector. So we can say, so the point P is the midpoint. Point P is the midpoint of the line segment RQ. Of the line segment RQ. So hence proved. Thank you.